The other one, you got to take some cash outs. But it looks like we are missing out on two nice rounds because of our aversion to you. She's agreed. Wow, two pink ones. Okay. So I suspect that the next couple are probably going to be pretty bad. I mean, look at that. Out of the last five, we've had three pink ones. Let's take that one. I'm playing a little bit more conservatively now. I'll take that one as well. So we're now up to 420 rand. We increased our balance quite nicely from what I started with. And this is usually the point where I would recommend that you walk away, you take the money. You want to have those nice, quick, profitable sessions rather than sit there and grind out and then end up losing all your money. Look at this. This is this game super hot at the moment by the looks of it. We've had, it's going to be 6 rounds, and this one looks like it could go to the moon.